I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be grilling broccoli. So here are broccoli florets. I already washed them before making the video, and I'm going to use aluminum foil to prevent them from falling into the grill. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So let's turn the heat on high. And now close the lid on the grill. And now I'm going to season the broccoli. So here is the foil that I have. So it's just a sheet of foil, and I lifted the edges so the broccoli will go in it and it will stay open. So this is just to prevent it from falling into the grill. So let's season the broccoli. I'm going to use a little bit of oil. So oil is great to keep it from sticking to the foil. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And you can use any seasonings you like for the broccoli. And I'm going to now toss it so it's coated with oil and seasonings. So now the broccoli is fully seasoned. So let me take this foil and we'll put it on the grill. So the grill is now preheated. So let's open it. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. So the type of heat really depends on your grill. This one is pretty powerful. So for vegetables, I use medium-low or low, depending on what I'm cooking. So if your grill is not as hot, then you can just leave it on medium. But let me put this foil on the grill. And now I'm going to add the broccoli on top of the foil. So just carefully add the broccoli. Perfect. And now let's close the lid, and I'm going to come back to it in 5 minutes. So now they've been grilling for 5 minutes, and let's open the grill, and I'm just going to mix them. So see, they're already getting some grilled carrot and brown. So now, if you think they're browning too quickly, now I see there's like lots of brown spots. I'm going to reduce heat to low because, like I said before, this grill is really powerful. But if yours aren't getting brown like that, just keep it the way it was. So I reduce the heat to low, and I'm going to close the grill, and I'm going to check again in 5 minutes. So now they've been cooking for 5 minutes after I mixed them, so it's 10 minutes total, and they should be ready. Take a look at these broccoli. They look amazing, perfectly grilled. So now I'm going to turn off the grill. And let's take the broccoli off the grill. I can just tell how tender it is. Look at this broccoli. It looks amazing. And I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So I'm going to pierce it with a fork, and it's tender, yet still crisp, and so nicely grilled. Perfect texture. So it's soft and yet it's not mushy. So this cooking time was just right, and it has amazing deep flavor that's so grilled. So broccoli, it's not a common vegetable that you would think about when grilling, but it tastes so good. It's perfect for grilling, and it's so healthy and so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniejcooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!